Hey, look at that.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Oh, it tickles. It tickles. Ha! There you go. Thank you. Woohoo! I feel brand new! Look at me! I'm whole! I'm whole! You saved us from that rusted toolbox! Thank you, May. You are a true hero!
Oh, thank you, Hannah.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course, of course! Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
What?
Whoa,
Oh.
flexible.
Step on board.
Really?
Okay, sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it!
Oh no, she's leaving.
Rose, wait! We need your help!
It's us, Mum and Dad. Don't close the door.
No! Help us out! Rose! Oh, you stupid book!
Oh, you've locked us in. You